afternoon, everyone. I'm Kate Andre Guerra. I'm 28 and 5'11", and I'm from Quezon City.
Hello bro, candidate number 18. What makes you join this pageant? Ano yung reason mo? Why ka nag-join ng pageant?
My reason is to actually this is my first pageant, and for me is I want to experience it. I want to experience this kind of event, and I want to boost my confidence when it comes to this kind of event.
This is your first pageant?
Yes.
Nice.
As a first timer, ano ang ina-expect mo sa pageant na to? Sa joining mo?
Ina-expect ko po sa pag-join ko dito sa pageant is makakatulong ko sa akin para umangat yung confidence ko, para mas umarap pa ako sa mga maraming tao.
Shining type of person ka ba?
Yes po.
Kinda.
Next question. What is your favorite color and why?
My favorite color ko is blue, and nung bata pa po kasi ako parang doon lang po ako nagandaan sa kulay mo. So, that's my favorite.
Bro, do you have a talent or no?
Meron po kaso medyo po sa
We heard you can dance now. Narinig namin you can dance.
I can dance. Hindi lang masyado.